Welcome to Rhyme Revel!
Hi, little explorers! Look who's coming to say hello. It's our friend Timmy Turtle. Let's sing together.
Timmy Turtle, slow and neat, likes his home tidy and sweet. He cleans his shell both high and low, making it shine a soft, gentle glow. Timmy, why clean every day? Asked the squirrel in a playful way. To have a home nice and bright, clean and tidy is always right. Together they sweep, together they scrub, learning that cleanliness gives no snub. In the woods beneath the sky so wide, Timmy and friends share their pride.